History moves forward with the passage of time, and dreams are realized through relentless effort. Over the past 20 years, Boerane has remained steadfast in its commitment and belief. Through 2 decades of perseverance, Boerane has worked together as one to create a new chapter in the production of thread inserts. Time has witnessed every step of Boerane's exploration in the refined manufacturing of various thread inserts. We use the power of technology to reshape the boundaries of industry. In our modern over 1,000 square meter warehouse, the fusion of intelligence and machinery enables over 100 fully automated thread inserts production units to achieve unprecedented efficiency. We are not just manufacturers, we are the drivers of industrial transformation, redefining the new heights of manufacturing in the name of technology.
Hello and welcome to Boerane. Boerane is a Chinese manufacturer of thread inserts dedicated to the research and development, production and sales for over 20 years. Boerane is the leading and largest exporter and supplier of thread inserts in China. Its products are sold in Europe, America, Asia and Oceania, and they have won the unanimous recognition of its customers at home and abroad for its superior quality and the best service. This is the CNC cutting workshop room. It is mainly used to produce the easy lock inserts, safe tapping inserts, and also the key lock inserts. And here we have the thread inserts workshop. And here we have the key locking thread insert. This one is made of stainless steel, and this one is made of carbon steel. It offers a very high resistance and strong wear resistance. In Boerane, a vast variety of specifications for thread inserts are available. And as you can see, we also have a vast stock ready for quick shipment.
Boerane, with over 20 years of experience in the research and production of key locking inserts, self-tapping inserts, tongueless thread inserts, wire thread inserts, thread repair kits, EC lock and other inserts in metric, imperial and unified standards, has painted a vibrant picture of precision manufacturing. Boerane has earned certifications for quality management systems such as ISO 9001, IATF 16949, BSI and SGS, building formidable barriers in the realm of intelligent business.
We are now here in the showroom, and here I have a wear thread insert made of stainless steel 304. We can also make them personalized to your needs in different materials such as stainless steel 316, Inconel X750 or brass. We can also make them customized according to your needs with different thickness or even different colors such as red, blue, green, silver and so on.
Seizing the momentum for growth, Boerane is poised to chart a new course. In the face of an ever-changing market, Boerane will remain steadfast in its ideals and beliefs, viewing the future with a strategic perspective. By focusing on the key development of thread casing products, we will ride the wave of opportunity and continue to forge new paths in the manufacturing industry.